Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at One Royale. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. One Royale is a globally licensed, beginner-friendly forex broker that was founded in 2006 in Limassol, Cyprus. They offer flexible accounts with competitive trading conditions and tight spreads, and we highly recommend trading with One Royale if you are interested in copy trading and/or social trading. By trading with One Royale, you will have access to a wide range of forex pairs, metals, oils, indices, shares and cryptocurrencies, and you will be able to trade on MetaTrader 4 and use Zulu Trade, Trading Central, and MyFX Book. The One Royale website is user-friendly and easy to navigate. You can easily find any information you need about the accounts you can open, the instruments they offer, and the resources, tools, and platforms provided by choosing an option from the menu bar. The homepage highlights some of the key features and perks of trading with One Royale, and a comparison of the accounts offered is also provided. You can also see some of the tools and features they offer by scrolling further down the homepage. And if you are not sure where to start, you can find direct links to demo accounts, live accounts, and copy trading at the bottom of the page. You will also see the payment methods they accept all the way at the bottom of the homepage, and you will find all the important legal information about the company around this section of the homepage. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with One Royale, simply hover your cursor over the Traders tab and choose an instrument from the drop-down menu. One Royale offers a variety of forex major pairs, exotic pairs, and cross pairs. There are more than 180 tradable forex CFDs, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips on the ECN accounts, and they also offer a wide range of metals, oil, indices, shares, and popular cryptocurrencies. The One Royale customer support team is available 24 hours a day, and you can contact them directly via email, live chat, WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook Messenger, or telephonically. You can also submit a web ticket and request a callback directly from the website, and direct numbers for their international head offices are provided under the Contact Us section of the website. One Royale offers a 20% tradable deposit bonus that you can claim once your account has been verified and funded. A deposit bonus is a great way to get a head start on your trading career, because you will have more funds available for trading and you get more out of your initial deposit. One Royale's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, which is available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. MetaTrader 4 is a popular trading platform that was released in 2005. It offers advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and it can be downloaded at no cost. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution, over 30 built-in indicators, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, suggested trading strategies, expert advisors, and much more. As a client, you will also be able to use MyFX Book and Zulu Trade for copy trading. Depending on which platform you choose, you will have access to different accounts for each platform. For example, if you choose to use MyFX Book for copy trading, you will be able to choose between an ECN account and a zero commission account, which is very similar to the live accounts. No monthly fees are charged, and these accounts have all the same features as the classic and premium accounts. Alternatively, you can use Zulu Trade for copy trading, and when using this platform, you can open either a classic account or a profit-sharing account. The classic account is very flexible, and it can be used for manual trading or copy trading, while the profit-sharing account is a commission-free account. However, you will need to pay a small monthly subscription fee. The benefit of using the profit-sharing account is that you will only pay the trader that you are following if they make a profit. Otherwise, only the monthly fee is payable if no profits are made. Whichever platform you decide to use, copy trading is an excellent way to trade without actually spending all your time watching the markets and looking for trading opportunities. In addition to these platforms, and all the flexible accounts and trading conditions on offer, One Royale also offers virtual private server hosting, a variety of advanced trading calculators, and a MetaTrader 4 booster pack with plenty of add-ons and widgets, including alarm managers, a sentiment trader tool, a correlation trader tool, session maps, watch lists, and much more. There are 3 types of accounts that you can open with One Royale, and 6 account types in total, as well as demo accounts and swap-free accounts. For each type of account, you have the option of using it either as a zero commission account or as an ECN account. The accounts on offer include classic accounts, premium accounts, and VIP accounts. The classic account has the lowest minimum deposit, and only $50 is needed to begin trading on this account. The spreads on the classic account start around 1.9 pips. However, all the ECN accounts have spreads starting as low as 0 pips if you are willing to pay a small commission fee, and the commission fees are lower on the premium and VIP accounts. If you are willing to make a bigger deposit for lower spreads, you can open either a premium account by depositing at least $10,000 or a VIP account by depositing $50,000. We would only recommend opening a VIP account if you are a high-volume trader with many years of experience. But if you do open a VIP account, then you will have access to the Trading Central Research Program with exclusive daily reports, newsletters, and One Royale Web TV. You can fund your account using a variety of base currencies, including US dollars, euros, pounds, and Bitcoin. And once you are ready to make your first deposit, you can use a variety of payment methods such as Skrill, NetTeller, MasterCard, Visa, and several other payment methods. However, if you are trading for the first time, we would recommend holding on to your capital until you understand the basics of forex trading, and you can do this by using a demo account and trading in a risk-free environment using virtual funds. Muslim clients also have the option of opening a swap-free Islamic account, and this account will not charge any interest or rollover fees on positions that are held open overnight. Creating an account with One Royale may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is simple and straightforward. Firstly, launch the One Royale homepage, and then click on the Trade Now or Start Trading button. Next, you will want to complete the online application form, and then verify your account and email address. Once your account has been verified and approved, you can simply log in to the client portal, and once your account is ready, you can fund your account and start trading. If you are creating a demo account, your login credentials will be provided via email. Once your account is set up and ready, the next step would be to download and install the MetaTrader trading platform. Download and install the MetaTrader platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with One Royale. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the dashboard, a nice and simple one-click trading order window and a variety of tools and options that you can use. If it is your first time using the MetaTrader trading platform, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content and resources online or over on the MetaTrader website to help you get the basics of platform functionality and to get started. With regards to educational resources and material, one of the major benefits of trading with One Royale is that you will have access to plenty of educational resources to help you along the way. We would recommend visiting the Knowledge Hub to learn the basics of trading if you are new to the scene. You can watch the videos provided to learn about calculating pips, reading indicators, understanding support and resistance levels, and everything else you need to know about market movements, leverage, and chart patterns. You can also tune in to the Roy and Al Show for expert insights into trading and exclusive trading tips. And they will also teach you about trading psychology, market sentiments, risk management, as well as fundamental and technical analysis. One Royale also gives their clients access to Trading Central, which is a top-rated signal provider platform that gives you trading ideas, market insights, support and resistance levels with commentary, and much more. Built-in educational resources are also provided through Trading Central, and you can personalize your dashboard to suit your specific trading style. We would also recommend visiting the FAQ sections of the website for answers to some of the most commonly asked questions, and to learn the basics of setting up your account using the tools and platforms, as well as making your first deposit and trade. If you would like exclusive tips and expert insights, then we also recommend watching One Royale's webinars. You can head over to the resources section of the website and click on webinars to view the calendar. Overall, by trading with One Royale, you will have access to all the essential resources you need to become a successful trader. And once you're ready to start trading, you will have multiple accounts to choose from, as well as the option to become a copy trader or a strategy provider. One Royale is one of our top-rated, low-risk, beginner-friendly brokers, and we recommend them for all types of traders and all styles of trading. If you are interested, be sure to open your One Royale account today to get a head start on your trading career and to claim your deposit bonus. And that is our overview of One Royale. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.